What's up, guys? About to show you guys a quick hack on how to loosen these zip ties, man. I know these zip ties get so irritating. All you need is a scissor, a fork, or anything sharp that can go in between these little holes right here. Preferably you want to do this bottom hole on this side. All right, so we're gonna go under, and bear with me. Give me a second. There, we got it. So you see how the scissors is basically through it. Now we pull this right here, and let's see if it works. Boom. And there you have it.